Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammed Takir Ahmed here from London Aesthetics at our Harley Street Clinic. Really proud, in a special moment, I want to introduce Dr. Shamima with us. She's from Thermadam, and literally we are so excited to bring you the latest innovations in skincare. This is going to be a no downtime, the most advanced stem cell based skincare regime. We are bringing basically Korean skin glass to Harley Street in London. Not only are we going to be able to look after your skin, your pigmentation, your acne, your scarring, your rosacea, we are also going to be able to offer you stem cell rejuvenation for your hair, anti-aging for your face, for your skin lightening. It's just, the potential is endless. I mean, I've just spent time studying the products, I've spent time looking at the treatments, and we're going to showcase you some treatments. So watch us, so what's happening afterwards. And I'm going to hand you over to Dr. Shamima, who's going to say a couple of words about the company. I mean, you told me a bit about the company, so Doc, tell me, how big is the company?
Okay, so Thermadam was actually the creator of medical cosmeceuticals in South Korea. And so that started 15 years ago, and over time they have improved the product constantly. So now, after 3-4 generations of improvements, we have the best on the global market, really.
How many clinics are they supplying internationally?
So in Korea itself, they supply to 3,000 dermatology clinics. So you can imagine, and all over the world, of over 10,000 clinics.
So guys, you know, it's like, if we've got 10,000 clinics saying yes, why haven't we got any in the UK? So we're going to be amongst the first to bring that to you guys here. Watch your space, and also we're going to launch a competition for a giveaway for a few of these free treatments. So watch us, follow us, and enter the giveaway. Thank you very much.